All right, so next up, YouTube expands access to courses for creators. This is amazing. This is exciting. I just think this is awesome. YouTube's expanding access to its courses option for creators, providing another potential revenue stream for creators in the app, while it's also enhancing its featured products display for those using live shopping and making it possible for creators to add AI labels when uploading via mobile device. So first off, on courses, originally launched in beta with selected creators back in 2020, YouTube's courses option enables creators to offer free or paid learning programs on their channel. So as you can see here, here's an example. With courses, creators can build their own video education offerings aligned to their channel, providing another means to keep their audience engaged and also bring in additional revenue from course take up. And now YouTube will enable more channels to launch courses in the app, which will be creatable via YouTube Studio where available. As per YouTube, once you designate a playlist as a course, your course will have a special course badge on the watch and playlist page, as well as in search home, watch next, and anywhere else your course appears. Courses will appear in a dedicated tab on your channel page, and your course may be featured on youtube.com/courses for easy discovery. YouTube says that creators can also include quizzes and associate them with specific videos, while courses will also each have their own discussion section, which is a playlist level comment section where your audience can engage with one another on more general course related topics. When a viewer finishes watching all of the videos in your course, they will receive a badge which appears in their U tab. An information panel on the course playlist page will include more information about the course length and chart the viewer's progress. Channels can choose to charge for courses or make them available for free. And YouTube says the option is being expanded to many more creators and channels from this week. I'm excited. Hey, YouTube, I'm here. As noted, when it's available in your region, channel managers will be able to create a new course within YouTube Studio. More information on courses here, and that's so cool. They have a great amount of information here that you can go check out about courses. I'm excited because they have courses in all different spots. And one of our biggest audience, or my biggest audience, is on YouTube. It's like I have to send them different places where you could just get the course right here. Like it's just the ease is what I'm really excited about. So